Hey, 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 Boldly Boss and crew. It's your girl Kay. And you know what? We're in the swing of things. It is a Monday, and every Monday I like to come with a new video and a new topic to help you boldly boss up. So let's get to it. Let's hide that and get with the program. Okay, let me slide myself over and get this party started. So, today we're going to talk about the first thing you must do to fix your own credit. If you're going to do it yourself, you're going to need this repair advice. All right, so before I start, I always like to say a little quote, and today it's simple. Income is how much you make. Wealth is how much you keep. So if you make $100,000 a month, but then you spend $150,000 a month, guess what? You're broke. If you make 80,000 a year and you only spend 25,000 a year and the rest of that money you can invest it, hey, you're doing better off than the person who's making 150,000 a month. So just remember that. All right, who is this video for? This video is for my entrepreneurs and my mamas out there. I aim to help CEOs, whether you are the CEO of your household or you are the CEO and owner of a company. I want to help you build a great foundation so that you can continue to boldly boss up, take control of your finances, eliminate debt, and grow wealth. All right, so this is going to be a pretty quick video, and I don't know why I'm still on the screen. But this is going to be a pretty quick video, and in this video, what we're really talking about is credit repair and doing it yourself. So, does do it yourself credit repair work? It absolutely works. You don't have to pay hundreds or thousands of dollars to get your credit fixed by a company. I'm straight up here to tell you that you do not have to do it. If you do not have the cash, you can still clear your name. You can still repair your credit on your own instead of having somebody else do it on your behalf. So again, you don't have to pay hundreds of thousands of dollars to get your credit fixed, but what you do have to do is you do have to make sure that you are ready and that you are committed to repairing your credit. This is a journey and it's going to be a marathon. It's not a sprint. It doesn't happen, how long did it take you to get your credit to the point where it is right now? So if you have a 400 credit score, what all did you have to do to get that score? So now you have to reverse that. So it took you 5 years to plummet your score. Well, it's not going to take you 5 years to raise it, but it's going to take you time. It doesn't happen. You can't do it in 5 days. You definitely want to make sure you get a copy of your report so that you know what you're up against. You can't know what you need to do if you don't even know what your score is looking like. So definitely get on Credit Karma, get on My FICO, Credit Check Total. You just want to make sure that you get your reports. You want all 3 reports, your Equifax, your TransUnion, and your Experian report. You can also get a free copy of your credit report by going to freeannualcreditreport.com. You can get a free weekly report until April 2021 because of what's happening now with the pandemic. All right, so what is the thing that you need? What do you need to repair your credit? You know what you need? You're going to need to make sure you have a copy of your ID and Social Security card. Okay, so I know this is simple, all right? But you must make sure that you can prove your identity before you start trying to clean up your credit. Make sure you can prove your current address and your name. This is going to help you. This is the initial step to repairing your credit. You have to have your ID. So I have a few people that I'm helping right now, and they don't have their ID. You've got to have your ID. How are you going to prove who you are? You have to have at least your ID. In a perfect world, you'd have your ID, your Social Security card, and then a utility bill with your address and name on it as well, just to help prove. So like when I had to remove a fraud alert from my credit, I had to send my utility bill, my ID card, and my social into the credit reporting agencies so that they knew it was me that was trying to remove it. It makes sense. If you don't have your credit report and you don't have your ID and social, you aren't ready to start. Now I'll tell you another reason you might not be ready to start. If you are paying your bills, if you're not paying your bills on time currently, if you've got late payments right now, if you are missing payments every month, whether it's 1 or 2 or 10, you are not ready to start credit repair. That is the first step, is making sure you've got your timing right, you're making all of your payments. Now, if you need help with situating out your bills or just kind of mapping things out, I'm happy to help with that as well. But in order to start your credit repair, you are going to have to be making your payments on time. You're going to need your ID, and you will also need your social. But don't worry, this doesn't have to stop you. These are easy things to get. Let's be serious. These are easy things to get. So you just have to focus and say, okay, these are the things I'm about to get, and get them. Remember, here's my tip for the day, and this might be worth the 10 or 5 minutes it took you to watch this video. Anything that can be put on a credit report can be taken off. Credit reporting agencies report the debt. Now, they're just the ones who report the debt. They're not the ones who you owe the money to. But again, anything that can be put on a credit report can be taken off a credit report. Okay, if you remember that, you will be just fine as you start this journey. And don't worry, I'll be right here with you every step of the way. All right, so if you liked this quick video, I want you to hit the like and subscribe button and let me know what you want to hear next. What kind of video do you want to see next? Hit that bell notification. Don't ever miss another video about increasing your credit score and eliminating bad debt. Hit that bell, hit that bell. Remember, collaboration over competition is key. Now you keep boldly bossing up. Take control of your credit, your debt, and your financial future. Thanks, guys, and I will surely see you in the next one. Have a great week.